All right, welcome back. Got two more problems to do for our review before your time to climb. Here is the first one we're going to do next. It's Terrell bought 4 liters of fruit punch for a party. He will serve the punch in glasses that can hold 200 milliliters. How many full glasses of punch can he serve? Okay, we've got a lot of things going on here. Remember, you can use your conversion charts. And so we know that 1 liter, we're going to need to know this conversion. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So we'll write that up here so we remember. That's something we're going to know. And we need to know full glasses. This could be important, right? Because we could have a fraction, which we know isn't going to make a full glass. So that's maybe important to know. Okay, each glass can hold 200 milliliters. So I like to draw when we have word problems. We're going to say this glass can hold 200 milliliters. But the punch that I've got is in liters. And it says there's 4 liters. So my thought is maybe I should convert liters to milliliters first, since the glasses I'm pouring into are in milliliters. I'm going to first convert to milliliters, and then I'm likely going to divide my total amount of milliliters that I have by 200, because that's like dividing all the fruit punch by the glass size, and that'll tell me how many glasses I can fill. So let's first convert liters to milliliters. Well, if 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, 4 liters must be 4,000 milliliters. So that's my total amount of punch. That's kind of how I know it's a division problem, because I have a total and I need to divide it up into smaller chunks. And in this case, each chunk is worth 200 milliliters. So let's do my division. It's going to be 4,000 divided by 200. And whatever my answer is, that's how many glasses of 200 milliliter size I can fill out. I can fill up. So let's go ahead and do the math here off camera. We'll get our answer. All right, and so I got 20. Well, we should have probably guessed that we could guess that that was it, because I can knock some zeros off here to make it easier. Remember, I can simplify. When I am working with zeros and these are powers of 10, just to show you, we can simplify that because we really can remove some zeros here. If I take 2 away and 2 away, then I'm really ended up with 40 divided by 2, and that's going to be 20. So anyway, we've got 20 glasses that we can fill, and we can make sure that that's true, right? We can always double check our division, which means I need to know for sure if 4,000 is the answer to 20 times 200, then I know that I can fill 20 glasses. So I can double check it using multiplication. And I would be right here, because there's 3 zeros. 2 times 2 is 4, and then I have 3 zeros. So that's my double check. I can fill 20 glasses. All right, let's head to the next one. Last one here. Mason made 5 quarts of salsa. Which of the following can be used to find the number of cups of salsa Mason made? So we just have expressions here. We don't have a solution, but we can still figure out which one's going to work. I'll use some pictures again. I got 5 quarts salsa. Okay, so I need to know a couple things. It's probably good for me to know, since I'm going from quarts to cups, I need to know how many cups there are in the quarts. Well, you can again use your conversion chart. This one I'll have to step up. So I know that there's 2 cups. Since I'm going up, a quart, I need to erase those. A quart is bigger than a cup, so I'll need to go up in size. 2 cups is equal to 1 pint, and 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. So to go from cups, or in this case, we're going from quarts to cups. We're going from a large size to a smaller size. We are going to multiply. So remember, when you go from a big to a small, we multiply, because there's going to be more cups than there are quarts. So we know that it's not going to be one of these two, because these use division, and we do not want to use division when we go from a bigger size to a smaller size. We're going to multiply. And I know that there's 2 pints in a quart, so that's times 2. And there are 2 cups in a pint, and that's times 2. So if I do 5 times 2 times 2,